Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over the green button data and how to download and upload it into your GEMS main application. So within the GEMS main application, after you complete the previous sections, you'll come to the household usage information section. And within this section, it asks you to choose an option to provide your household energy usage information data. The first option is your green button data. This is provided by Hawaiian Electric through your customer account. It does require a smart meter and at least 1 month of data. The second option is to provide your household information. If you do not have a smart meter, you will need to fill out this form. So when you select household information, an additional question will come up asking you to download this form. So you can select download and then fill out the table and the total household members in order to then upload this form back into Banyan. Now, for the green button data, if you select utility meter data, green button data, a different question will come up asking you to please upload a CSV file of your green button data. There are instructions here. If you copy and paste this link into a new browser, we have written instructions on how to download your green button data. So first of all, what is green button data? Green button data is granular data on your meter's energy usage broken into 15-minute increments. All Hawaiian Electric customers with advanced meters can access green button data as part of the 2012 White House Initiative on Energy Data. You can learn more by visiting this site and clicking the link. We use your household energy consumption data to estimate your potential savings from an installed energy improvement. While our current models use estimates based on family size and lifestyle, Green Button data allows us to use a more personalized data and make potentially more accurate estimates on your savings from your energy improvement. So your first step is to visit the Hawaiian Electric Online Customer Service Center. You can find the link on this slide. You will then go to the top banner and hover over Login and select Manage My Account. You can also just visit this directly by clicking on this link, the second link on this slide. Now you will want to log into your Hawaiian Electric account using your user ID or email and password. If you do not already have an existing account, click Register for Online Access. That is found here in this blue circle. And you will need your account number, your meter number, and your email address. If you have multiple accounts with Hawaiian Electric, you need to select the meter with which you will be applying for HGIA. So here you will see the account number and service address listed to the right, and the second account will be here with the account meter and service address. Select the meter which you're applying for HGIA. Once you have selected the account, you can click on My Energy Use, which is shown here in the red circle. And then from there, you'll click on Download My Data. It's a green button at the top of the page. So you'll need to make sure your selected format, service type, columns, row order, and interval match the formats that are listed here below, and then you can select Download. So using the drop-down menus provided, you should select the format as CSV. The service type should be electric. The meter selected should be the one you're selecting for your HGIA application. The interval should be 15 minutes, and your start date and end date should be as early or as late as possible. And then for choosing the columns, it should be the read date and the kilowatt hours. After you've selected all the correct formats, you can then click on Download. Your data will be saved in your Downloads folder as usage.csv. You should double check that the file contains data like what is shown on the right-hand side of this page. The dates and kilowatt hour values will be different though. This is just provided as an example to show you what the format should look like. And then once you've confirmed that it's in the correct format, you can go back to your application in the Banyan Infrastructure portal and upload your CSV file. So going back into the Banyan GEMS main application, where it's asking you to upload a CSV of your green button data. So you'll click or drag the file to this area to upload. Your file should be named usage, and then you just select upload, and you'll see the file down at the bottom, and you'll have a green check with saved pop up if your document is uploaded correctly. If you need to go back and re-upload this document for any reason, you can select this trash bin to delete it and go through the process again of clicking or dragging the file in this area to upload. Once you've uploaded your green button data, make sure that you have completed all other questions within the application. And once you've completed the application, you can select Finish.